like every other American, I am gratified at the unmistakably better tone that now prevails in our industries and marts of trade.
Mr. Chapin, it gives me great pleasure to welcome you to the Department of Commerce as you assume the office of Secretary. I'm sure that every businessman enthusiastically approves the President's choice in this instance.
Naturally, like every other American, I am gratified at the unmistakably better tone that now prevails in our industries and marts of trade. Concerning the future trend, I will not be so bold as to venture a prediction. But one thing is very certain. We must all exert ourselves to the utmost, striving to strengthen all favorable factors and to make the inevitable definite turn come as soon and with as much security as possible. The facilities of the Department of Commerce, designed solely to help business in all its manifold aspects, should prove a potent instrument in aiding an advance along the upward road.